Are you tearing up? Daddy! Hi, Randall.
Hi, Flapper.
How are ya?
Good.
You have your eyes closed.
Yes,
I asked you
Flapper.
to close them because after what I did to you yesterday and gave you the salt food as a prank, I wanted to make it up to you.
Yes, Flapper?
You're wearing the same shirt because you already had your appetizers, which is oysters. Okay, so open your eyes for dinner.
Wow. Mamma mia. Flapper, when are Christmas? Wow. Mm.
You, Daddy, because you know I cry. So let's just get into the video because two of us crying is crazy. Daddy!
Flapper, I love you.
I love you too. That, oh, you
Flapper.
make me cry.
Flapper, you're the best daughter in the whole wide world, Flapper.
Thank you.
All
Oh, you scared me.
the daughters them is good and nice.
Definitely.
All the daughters them in the world are nice.
Now
But
you're making me
Flapper,
cry.
you
I love you.
love you, Flapper.
I love you too.
You're number one.
Daddy, no, man, don't make me cry.
Flapper,
You can hear it.
you is number one and you is everything, Flapper.
Daddy.
Taffy, you is number one to Taffy.
All your kids are number
All
one.
my girls them are number
Absolutely.
one. But Flapper, special request to you tonight.
You're gonna make me cry.
Flapper,
So let's move
Flapper,
on.
I can't move on, Flapper. Flapper, don't rush me, Flapper. Please don't rush me, Flapper.
Daddy, you
Flapper.
know I cry.
Oh, Mamma Mia. Father, Jesus, as I about to eat this dinner tonight, I want to bless the hand that prepared it, Father, for Daddy Randall. Thank you. Thank you, Flapper. Thank you. I love you, Flapper. Thank you for the dinner, Flapper.
You're very
I
welcome.
love you, Flapper.
I love you too. That's enough of the nice stuff. I remember the last time I gave you lobster, you said you want to pull it out yourself. Hey, you want extra there, you wear? So I left it so you can pull it out yourself.
Oh. Flapper,
Just silence.
I do all this speech already. No more speech. Eating time.
It's that eating time.
Flapper. Flapper,
Yes, Santa.
you have to find a husband and work, Flapper. Me approve that message.
Oh, now you approve the message.
So,
You know I was gonna take them out the shell, but I thought you liked
No.
them in the shell.
Flapper, come.
Let me just leave you alone to your food.
Flapper, time to eat, not time to laugh and talk, man.
I'm just laughing because you're literally not even looking up.
Let me alone, Flapper, please. No. Flapper, what you call this name, Flapper? Let's get a name, Flapper.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna give it a
Let's
name.
get a name, Flapper. Seafood boil again?
No, it's a meal fit for a king.
Shit.
I knew you was like that.
Wow! I never hear it.
No.
A meal fit for what?
A king. But what? You know what? I'm done being nice.
Is in life, when you're king, you're king.
Period.
You're changing him from Randall to King.
Okay,
King,
now
King Randall, you know.
we're putting it too far.
Yeah.
We're going a little bit too far.
You started now?
I said one thing. I split it to make it a bit
Papa,
easier.
Papa, worry yourself, Papa. Worry yourself, Papa. You're bad man, Papa.
All I'm doing is laughing.
Papa, give me some answer. Women don't make you score. A big chef, a king chef, general chef, I have to get good marks.
I agree.
Alright. In real life, I don't know. I want you to tell me something. How much you want me to do?
I would prefer like a 20.
Papa, you want 20? Now you 25, Papa. Papa, take anything you want, Papa, tonight, Papa.
What's your tech score?
You want more to the Papa?
As much as you can give me.
100% Papa.
Aww. Period.
100% Papa.
Thank you.
Sometime, number one chef, I forget big marks. 100% Papa, 100 Papa. Cut Papa, 100 Papa.